Okay guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to answer the question whether the Creality Ender 3 V3KE printer resumes the print after a power cut. And I'm a little way into the print. I don't want to waste too much plastic, but I'm going to cut the power and we're going to see what happens here. So I'm going to cut in 3, 2, 1. I hope that didn't affect anything else. I'll leave that a minute, give it time to think it's actually, cut. Find the breaker. I'm going to come back on with the power. It's booting up. Okay, now it says it looks like the last file was interrupted. Resume. Okay, I'm going to tap resume. And let's see. It's still got 7% showing on how much it's done already. It's warming back up. And it's off, guys. Resuming the print, doing the same patterns as it was doing. So we're back on and the print's carrying on, guys. So there you go, quick video for you if you've asked the question. Here's the video to watch. The Creality Ender 3 V3KE with the touch screen. I guess the G-code's already set up for it to resume the print, or it's in the firmware. So there you go, hit the like button guys for me, lovely jubbly, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.